Tuia I runga, tuia I raro, tuia I roto, tuia I waho. Tuia te here tangata, tene tihei Māori ora. Ine mana, ine reo. Ngāti rangitani, ngāti kahununu, ki Wairarapa. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. It is my absolute privilege to welcome you all to Ngā Kototaki o Ngā Kahui Manga Festival, our fourth regional Kapahaka Festival for 2025. Here in the beautiful region of Ngāti Rangitani and Ngāti Kahununu. Ki Wairarapa, apologies folks. Thank you for welcoming us so warmly into your whenua, for surrounding this kaupapa with your generosity and presence. This is a region rich in story, a place where whakapapa is held with deep pride, where whānau, whenua and wai are woven together like tuku panels. Today we honour that history and we stand with immense gratitude. We're celebrating the journey of the four festivals. This year, our waka has travelled far. We began in Waihopai in Invercargill with Ngā Tangata Manawa o Tai Tonga Festival, where we reflected on the origins of this movement, a dream born in 2016 through Te Anga Pawa o Aotearoa, to create true Māori cultural inclusion for people with intellectual disabilities. For those early days, through courage, listening and collaboration, Kapahaka became the vehicle, a way for our people to stand proudly in who they are, to express themselves in ways beyond words. From Invercargill, our waka travelled north to Orewa for Te Hoanga Waka, where we were reminded that this kaupapa is more than a festival. It is a movement of inclusion and identity, carried by communities, whānau, tutors, and performers who give their whole hearts. And then to Karapiaro for Te Wakatini, where we stood upon the landscape shaped by history, courage, and sacrifice. We were reminded that although our performance may move or sound differently from the typical image of Kapahaka, every step, every note is an act of immense determination and mana. And now our journey arrives here in Carterton Event Centre. Ngāti Rangitani, Ngāti Kahununu, Tiki Wairarapa, and the Ngā Kototaki o Ngā Kahui Manga Festival 2025, the final gathering of our festival season. Each region has added its own wairoa, its own stories, and today the region completes the circle. What unites all four festivals is simple and powerful: the people. Our kaihaka, Māori with intellectual disabilities, are the manawa taki, the beating heart of Kapahaka. They remind us that Kapahaka is not about perfection. It is about participation, connection, joy, and identity. And as we have seen across the motu, every performer brings their own courage. Every waiata carries joy. Every haka expresses mana. And every smile reflects belonging. If you could see the days, weeks, and months of mahi that brings our performance to this stage, you would not see disability, but you would see unshakable strength. This inclusion in action is not a theory, not a policy, but a lived expression of whanaungatanga, mana, and aroha. We are honouring those who make this possible. We acknowledge our kaihaka, our performers, your whānau, tutors and support staff, the team across IDEA Services and IHC Group, and especially Te Anga Pawa o Aotearoa, whose vision continues to guide us. Your commitment ensures that Māori with intellectual disabilities are seen, heard, and celebrated, not at the edges, but at the centre. We also recognise our local hosts and our regional organisers, and all who have worked tirelessly to bring this festival to life. Your leadership strengthens this kaupapa, making it not just an event, but a community. This is a festival rooted in belonging. Each of their 4 festivals has reminded us that whether in the deep south or the far north, the heart of the Waikato or here in the Wairarapa, this movement thrives because we travel together, group by group, region by region, story by story, singer by singer, heartbeat by heartbeat. And so today, at this final gathering, let us celebrate not only the performances we are about to witness, but the movement we have built together, defined by inclusion, identity, and unity. As the kapa prepare to take the stage, let us open our hearts. Listen not only with your ears, but with your wairua. See not only the steps, but the courage. See not only the beat, but the belonging. Because this is what we see here today. This is what community feels like. This is what true inclusion looks like. And this is what happens when we lift each other up. Hei tongata te tangata, our people are our treasures. Through unity we all strive. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Thank you.
Isn't she amazing? Paki paki mai anō. And she's correct. It's all about unity, and it is a movement. It absolutely is a movement. Anyway, once again, I'm going to introduce myself. Kia ora koutou, ngā mihi nui ki a koutou. Ko Chrissy Knapp tōku ingoa, no Rotorua hau. And I've been lucky enough to MC 3 of these festivals so far. I've been to the Deep South, I've been to Waikato, and now here in Wairarapa. Amazing, thank you so much. It's just amazing. I couldn't make it up north because I was gigging somewhere else. Okay, are we ready to come for our first group that's coming on today? Are we ready to talk about our first group today? That's what I want to hear. Awesome. Okay, e te iwi e ngā mana i ngā reo. Ngāti kahununu ki Wairarapa, tēnā koutou katoa. It is my honour to welcome and introduce the very first rōpū to open Te Ngā Kautaki o Ngā Kāhui Maunga 2025. This group stands not only as our first performers, but as our tīmatanga, our kaitiaki, and our ngākau of this year's festival. Te rōpū manaaki hail from this beautiful Wairarapa region with deep connections to Te Ore Marae, correct? And strong whakapapa to Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairarapa and Rangitane o Wairarapa. Established in 2016, this rōpū continues to grow, develop and uplift each member, reflecting the very meaning of their name. Manaaki, to uplift, to support, to care. This year, Te Rōpū Manaaki stepped forward not only as performers, but as our host rōpū, proudly representing Idea Services Wairarapa. Their colours on stage today honour those connections to IHC, symbolising the unity, diversity and strength of their community. In 2023 in Whanganui, this rōpū and the Idea Services area team were entrusted with the mauri of the festival, a sacred responsibility that they have held, protected and nurtured with dignity and aroha. Today, as they take the stage, they bring that mauri home into this whare kōrero, ready to ignite the wairua of our festival once again. Led by tutor Kepa Smith, male leader Caleb McNamara, and female leader Amaria, I got it right today, Wallace. Can we please have our leaders just come to the front, please, into the middle here? Kapai? Oh, sorry. Is that possible? Kahi a koe, Caleb. Of course I'm going to disrupt everything. I wouldn't have it any other way. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Come up here, my darlings. Come over here. Come over here. beautiful. Oh. Thank you, my honeys. Te Rōpū Manaaki will present a beautiful bracket including tēnei te whakapapa, e rere taku poi, and their own signature waiata, Te Rōpū Manaaki, a celebration of who they are and the kaupapa they stand for. E te whānau, warm your hands, warm your voices, warm your hearts for the first group to open our stage, Te Rōpū Manaaki!
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our Kaitapaki Wahine, Kaitapaki Tāne. Mate maki paki. E tu! Iraro! Ope! E tu! Ake ake kia kaha e. Oh, Five, four, three, two, one.
Paki paki mai. Wow. They're all superstars, aren't they? They're all superstars. Once again, whānau, hoa te paki paki. Te rōpū manaki. They are our hosts today. Oh, somebody please put the fan on because there's some dust in the air and it start leaking. Oh, you know, this is the thing. This is what makes me proud to be a Māori, is how we tautoko. It doesn't matter whether you've got disability, whether you're the top haka person, It's just amazing. Thank you so much for the tautoko. And if each group that comes on following today, if you want to get up and haka tautoko, kei te pai. Pai? So if you want to get up there, you get up and tautoko. Aren't they beautiful? Once again, homai te paki whānau for te ropu manaki. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. How do you start? That's how you start a festival. That's how you start. Should we ever sing? No. Oh. Oh. Wasn't like that last, Luke. Are you awake yet? Where is it students? Where are students from? From here, from Carterton? Carl? Where's that? Here. Great. I'm staying in Greytown. I'm staying in Greytown tonight. Yeah. Welcome to our students from Greytown. Is it Casey? Yeah, thank you. Beautiful tautoko. Anyway, I'm going to have a sing because I said so. Because I said so, all right? Where you fellas going?
Do-do-do, down, doobie-doo, down, down. Come on, down, doobie-doo, down, down.
Come up here, dance.
Come on, down, doobie-doo, down, down. Break it up is hard to do.
Don't take your time. Don't call me. Don't you leave my heart so free. 'Cause if we go, then I'll be blue. And break it up is hard to do. just going to talk for about a minute or so. Of course I am. So who's come here to see Te Timatanga or Whanganui today? Who's come to see them? I can't hear you. Who's come to see them today? Everybody should be saying that to everybody. Whanganui. Nau mai, hara mai. Woo, it's hot. How's everyone though? Okay? By lunchtime, you'll be right. We'll be zinging away by lunchtime. He hati wa? All right. I am going to just let you know, don't forget our safety rules. If in the event of an emergency, there are little green people above the doors. Make your way towards those little green people. You go, oh, hang on. On the plane, they go like this. Lights. Okay, wasn't funny. Oh, yeah. So, yes, in case of emergency, please make your way out to the car park that's just out there and around the corner. If you are thinking about your smoke or your vape, please go down to Greytown and have that. Yeah, so if you need to vape or you need to smoke it, go turn left down there and go all the way down to Greytown and then come all the way back, okay, kapai? So what we'll be doing at lunchtime too, it's going to be revolving. It's going to be revolving. We're not actually going to shut the stage down like we normally do. All right, are we ready to start? Yep, we are. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to welcome the wana and wehi of the Whanganui people and Idea Services Whanganui. Established in 2018, this rōpū was born from a simple but powerful vision to inspire, to uplift, and to experience Māori culture in its truest, most authentic form. Every performer you see today stands as part of that commitment to learn, to grow, and to carry the identity forward with confidence. Their roots are deeply connected to Te Ao Hou Marae and to the iwi Ati Haunui a Papa Paparangi. Aroha mai. The people of the mighty Whanganui River. Love the place. This river is not just a landmark. It is an ancestor, a source of unity, identity, and belonging. Their uniform reflects this connection. The koru symbolizes their relationship to the river, the mighty maunga Ruapehu, and to the people they support. The stair patterns represent new beginnings, fitting for a rōpū whose very name means the beginning. Today, Te Timatanga or Whanganui also walk in connection with the wider kaupapa of this festival. Last year, they placed the mauri of the festival into the hands of Te Rōpū Manaki of Wairarapa. Linking the histories of Whanganui and Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairarapa through shared whakapapa, shared purpose and shared responsibility. This exchange reflects a long history of Māori movement, relationship and alliance across Rohe, from the river people of Whanganui to the coastal and inland peoples of the Wairarapa. It is a reminder that our stories are not isolated but woven together through Manaki, Aroha and Tikanga. Led today by tutors Julie Wright, Michelle Tate and Bernie Patia, with leaders Adam Wilkins and Shyla Richardson Joyce. Can you please bring our leaders out to the middle, please? Paki paki mai. It's Adam and Shyla. Kahia koia, Adam. Hi. How are you? You good? Kate the pipe? You look absolutely beautiful. You're welcome. Here's Adam. Hi. Hi. Come over here, my darling. Come over here. Come over here. Say hi to everybody.
Hello, people.
You look absolutely handsome. You look absolutely handsome. Paki paki mai whānau. Te tīmatanga o whanganui bring a bracket that celebrates their rohe and their identity. So please, give your warmest support to the rōpa who remind us of the strength that comes from beginnings, connections, and community. Te tīmatanga o whanganui, paki paki mai whānau.
Te poi. Re taku poi. Toro. Pa. Re taku poi. Re taku poi. Kironga. Kironga. Re taku poi. Re taku poi. Kiraro. Kiraro. Hurry up!
Okay, one more time, guys. Seven. Come and we go to the party. Come out there, come out there, go, go. Come out there, come out there, go, go. All the funny, all the funny.
Ko mana tōku mana toro wha. Ko mana tōku mana. Ko
Paki paki mai. Wow, what your amazing chair. What a repertoire, eh? Wow. No one's going to hug a tautoko? Paper. I said, see you later, alligator. Don't forget your toilet paper, okay? Hi. You're welcome. Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that? Yeah? Hi. Hi. I remember you. I remember you. Yes, I do, from Nationals. Ah, pai, te timatanga o whangarui, paki mai whānau. Woo! Oh. Man, we're lucky this isn't Te Matatini because it'll be very, very close. And I tell you what, the All Blacks have got to run for their money with all these, well, especially with Adam doing his haka. Wasn't he amazing? I like the little wiggle at the end. It's amazing, isn't it? Just amazing. As they make their way off the stage. How's everybody feeling? Oh no, how's it? Hey, where you fellas going? Oh, okay, you're lucky. You got to stay here all day, and every group that comes off, you actually have to stand up and tautoko, eh? That's your job for today. Right till 3:30. Oh, 3 o'clock. When do you finish school? 2:45. No, you fellas have to tautoko. Come on. Our babies. Anyway, how's everybody going? You know, everyone's pretty quiet. I've just had a can of mother, so I'm ready to sing more. All right, let's go. What are we looking for? I don't know. Oh, let's do this one. Can we turn this up, please, my darlings? Oh, it's really hard. Is that me feeding back? Whew. Everybody in their seats? Are we ready for our next group to come on stage? Paki mai, come on! He's all right if he wants to walk around, he's fine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Is that me feeding back? It is my absolute honour to introduce one of the newest, strongest, and the most inspiring ropu to stand on the stage today. From Palmerston North, please welcome Manawa Koa. This extraordinary group began their journey only 20 days ago. Only 20 days ago. Is that me feeding back? In less than 3 weeks, they have built a community, learned their bracket, crafted their identity, and stepped forward with courage and unity. Their performance today is not just kapahaka, it is a celebration of determination, joy, and collective strength. That is me feeding back, eh? Manawa Koa stands proudly with connection to Hato Makaere Marae, Ngā Haue Whā, carrying the identity of Rangitane and Ngā Haue Whā Iwi. Their name, Manawa Koa, speaks directly to the intention to perform with joy, to have fun, and to uplift the mauri of everyone in this space. But what makes this ropu truly exceptional is their kaupapa. Manawa Koa is a pan-disability group, proudly disability-led and disability-driven. Their performers come from across the disability community, physical, sensory, intellectual, neurodiverse, and combinations of them all. Their strength lies not in sameness, but in diversity. They stand here today with a bold and beautiful kaupapa by disabled Māori for disabled Māori. Their uniform reflects their story. On the left side, a heart with two koru represents tapu and noa, the balance between joy and struggle, acknowledging the full emotional reality of their performers. On the right chest is a powerful symbol, a Māori tāne in a wheelchair performing haka, alongside a wahine and haka stance. Manawa is guided with aroha and expertise by tutors Dion Punga and, do you say Amiria? Or Amiria? Te Whaiti. And anchored by their leaders Te Kohi, Pohiri and, is it Amai? Ai? Come over here, my darling. Where's our leaders? Oh, kapa, you? Oh, gee, aren't she just gorgeous? Oh, kia ora. These are our leaders? Oh, paki paki mai, whānau. Paki paki mai. Beautiful shirts, love them. Paki paki mai. Who bring confidence, they bring strength and collective mana to the Ropu. In just 20 days, these performers have achieved what many take months to prepare for. Their courage, their wairua and their joyful hearts are about to fill this venue. Please give your loudest, warmest welcome, Paki Paki Mai Manawa Koa.
Community Centre, tēnā koe, i ngā mate, haere tiki kainga te turu o tātou matua, haere e tu rā. I rau rangatila mā, mihi mai ki te kaupapa o te wā. Mihi mai ki te ako na kamahaka. Mihi mai ki te tūtaki tātou. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Whakata whai ka hoki. Hei whakamutu. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou katoa.
Kiraro hope.
Tiro. Ope. Toi. Pa. Pa.
Here, Tuki.
Pretty here, no.
Ready here. Tutunamanai, Toro,
Awesome! Pagi pagi mai whānau for Manawakoa! Wow, 20 days! Oh, haka tautoko? Ai! Ka pai? Oh, ka pai. Once again, big paki paki. Only 20 days they put their program together. 20 days, wow. I did hear a touch of Te Arawa songs in there, or the tunes, right? Every festival I've been to, they've had a touch of Te Arawa tune in there. Oh, how's everybody? Are you enjoying everything? You are? Oh, look at this Baba. Hi. Oh, can I take you home for good? Hi. Oh, how old? 4 months old, this baby, and gorgeous. Eh? Oh, baby's name is Chrissy. Took you a while to think about that one, eh? Have you enjoyed everything so far, no? Aren't they just amazing? You know, I was just saying, the next festival, if I'm invited to the next festival, I need to bring me a box of tissues or something like that. There's a lot of dust in the air. A lot of dust in the air. And, well, to recall, words are... Oh, we want to cut it. How are you? See you too. You guys are amazing. Oh, 20 days. It took me 20 years to learn half those songs. Jingos. And I did kapahaka in the hotels. And I went to the Polynesian Festival a long time ago. I was in Tūhourangi Ngāti Wāhio, the original group, from Te Arawa. A long time ago. This thing is really annoying me. Shall I turn this microphone around? Maybe it's this. I don't know. Something keeps feeding back. Can you hear it? It's going bing. Can you hear it out there? No? Oh! Anyway, let's have a sing now. Okay, don't get excited. the spirit of the Wairarapa, and the strength of inclusion, education, and action. Representing the South Wairarapa and standing proudly as a group of, oh, you're just 30? I was going to say 100. 30 performers, please welcome to Iti Kahurangi o Kuranui, hailing from Kuranui College in Greytown. A school known for nurturing individuals to take their place in a changing world. This rōpū embodies exactly that vision. Kuranui has a long history of serving the Wairarapa, Greytown, Carterton, Martinborough, Featherston and the surrounding rural communities. And today that legacy is carried forward by these incredible taiyohi. Their name Te Iti Kahurangi o Kuranui speaks to valuing what is precious, seeking excellence and honouring what matters most. Fittingly, this group is tutored collectively by the Te Ao Māori Kaiako at Kuranui, ensuring that tikana, reo and kaupapa Māori are central to their journey. Through this collective guidance, each performer is encouraged to stand with confidence, dignity and pride in their identity. Their kura whakapapa connects directly to the whenua and iwi of this region, Rangitane o Wairarapa and Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairarapa. These are the iwis whose stories, histories and values are celebrated through their performance today. This isn't just kapahaka, it is a living connection between young people, their ancestors and their community. What makes this rōpū especially powerful is the lens they bring, a celebration of diversity, ability, individuality and unity. Te Iti Kahurangi o Kuranui stand is living proof that inclusive education creates space for every learner to shine. As they take the stage today, they carry not only the mana of their school and community, but also a message for all of us. That excellence is not defined by limitations, but by opportunity, belief, and the courage to stand proudly as who we are. So whānau, let's raise the roof and give the warmest welcome to the taiyohi who represent the heartbeat of their kura and the future of our region. Te Iti Kahurangi o Kuranui!
Aloha te
Haere.
Ka pai ko tau, homa te paki ma. Wow. Ah. Whew. There goes that dust in the sky again. This has been a very emotional festival for me. Wow. Aren't they amazing, whānau? Ho mai te paki te te kahurani o kuranui. Oh. Well, I never. Actually, I've got a pānui. Those who, it's coming up to lunchtime. Those who have their allocated lunches, please stick to your schedule. Does that mean something? Ka pai? Oh, I need to write my darlings. Such amazing. Oh, weren't they just so cool? I have to say though, some of those tunes there are from Ngāti Whakauē, so you know, a lot of Te Arawa flair going on in this festival. It just got different names, that's all. Okay, what are we going to do? So don't forget, those who are here just to watch everybody, I think there's kai available out there somewhere, I'm not too sure. But we will be having entertainment at 12 o'clock. I will be reading out that. We've got 10 minutes, so our next group after lunch will be... Oh! Pakiwi ki te pakiwi. Oh, I remember them from Nationals. Introduce a rōpū who carry not only the pride of their rohe, but also a name gifted with deep meaning and mana. Please join me in welcoming Pakiiwi ki te Pakiiwi, representing the spirit of Taranaki. This rōpū has been standing strong for 16 years, grounded in the whakapapa of ngā marae o Taranaki, and the unity of ngā iwi o Taranaki. Their name, Pakiiwi ki te Pakiiwi, means to stand shoulder to shoulder. A powerful expression of unity, solidarity, and collective strength. This name was gifted to them by Kaumātua George Tito, acknowledging the way this rōpū supports one another, moves as one, and upholds the mana of their region. Led by tutor Suzy Pukoro, is that correct? And guided by leaders Nigel Wheatley, Raumoku Houston, and Pirihita Kohu. Can we please have the leaders come to the front? Paki paki mai. Aren't you beautiful? Take a bow. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Tēnā korua. Where was I? This rōpū embodies the spirit of standing together, iwi to iwi, person to person, shoulder to shoulder. Their uniform tells its own story, as shown in their MC form, MC Pakiiwi ki te Pakiiwi. The colours black and yellow represent Taranaki. And at its centre lines Maunga Taranaki. Oh, yes. The beating heart of their identity. This maunga grounds them, inspires them, and reminds them of the inheritance they carry onto every stage. Today's performance showcases the beauty and power of Taranaki, waiata and haka. Their bracket includes whakaronga mai i ngā iwi, ko Aotea, he pikinga kōpō, and their poi te waka whakakotahi. The exit item e ngā matua tupuna e holds special significance. It was written especially for this ropi by Susie Kahupukoro and Kurt Kormeni as a waiata of gratitude to the hosts of the regionals. Every note, every action is a tribute to those who have paved the way. And so as they take the stage today, they do so connected to their land, their maunga, their whakapapa, and to one another, standing shoulder to shoulder just as their name declares. Whānau mā, warm your hands, raise your voices, and give the biggest welcome to Pakiwiki Te Pakiwi. Wakarongo mai ngā iwi, I te reo taranaki e. I ngā iwi e, haere mai rai. I ngā iwi tātou katoa. Aue, aue, hei ha, hei ha, hei. Aue, aue, ki mi a puruti a tō mana Māori e. Hapai nā. Hapai ngā ki runga ki a ki tēnā iwi. Tēnei te tūrana koe. O tai uatōtua, riawe hei! Wakpiri!
roe matae. Toku roe matae. Picking up popo, picking up popo. Hiroto taranaki. Hireira one mataki taki. O toku roe matae. Toku roe mata maya tu e te iwi maya tu e te iwi e Nara we a tau iwi O tira me we kei naro na tikanga Anna tau e kei Anna tau e kei No reira e te iwi, no reira e te iwi e Ia ka kia mautonu Hiro hone Hana ki taki O tuku roe matae Tuku roe matae Mataranaki tu Mataranaki e Teke mai rā tātou Roto I te kawatapu hapai nā tō mana toro tika ki arangi Toro tika ki arangi Hi aue, hei! Kirao! Kawari! I ngā motua tupuna e I ngā motua tupuna e Ara hia mai masau Masau e hi atu Ki te hunga kua karmai Ki te hunga kua tamai Hei runga hei aro iyo Haere mai rā I ngā iwi I runga o haunuru I te runga o te aro ai Nau mai I tēnei kainga Whakaiwi ki te whakaiwi No taranaki, no taranaki Ko toko maru, ko kura hopo, ko te ae Toru wha, haere mai rā I ngā iwi Ki runga o Nāku mōtu ki kaunuru Ki te hui a te aro ai No maki tēnei kainga Whakaiwi ki te whakaiwi No taranaki, no taranaki Ko toko maru, ko kura haupo, ko te ae Toko maru kura haupo, ko te ae Hei runga hei raro, I roto ki waho Hei, hei! Huria!
What?
ki te whakewe all the way from Taranaki. Woo-hoo! Wow. Oh, somebody's been trying to bring me up. Hang on. Trying to find some pink. Don't sing again. What would I do without you all, eh? Waiata. Hang on, I'm going to find the words. Oh, auntie now, eh? Pardon? Okay, my darling, just for you. Just for you. And I'm going to find it first. Hang on. Oh, it's already 7. Woo! Wow. Absolutely fabulous. Now that you're all woken up, it's only taken 7 hours. You guys are so going to get my humour. Anyway, where was I? We've only got a couple more groups, I think. Hang on. Tai what? Oh, look at that. I can see. Oh, no. Where are we? Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3. We only got 3 more groups. Is that right? Man, it's come. That's really fast. Should we start talking? Yeah, why not, eh? Ngā pau o Porirua. Ladies and gentlemen, whānau mā. It is my honour to introduce a rōpū representing Porirua. With pride, please welcome Ngā pau o Porirua. Established in 2022, Ngā Pau o Porirua is a relatively new rōpū, but one that has already made a powerful impact within their community. Their kaupapa is clear: to create a safe, inclusive space where their members can grow within Te Ao Māori, using kapahaka as the vehicle for connection, learning and identity. This is a group built on the belief that kapahaka can transform lives. Their whakapapa is strongly rooted in Porirua. This rōpū affiliates to Takapū Wāhia Marae, the heart of the community, and carry the mana of Ngāti Toa Rangatira. A people whose history, resilience, and cultural legacy continue to define the region. As the pau, the pillars of the community, these performers stand not only for themselves, but for the generations who have come before them. Ngā pau o Porirua are guided by their tutors, Vai Baker and Jada Edmonds Lama, whose leadership has helped shape the confidence, skill and passion of every performer on stage today. Their performance bracket showcases well-loved pieces from across the motu. One of the unique highlights of their bracket is the Poi e Rona e, which carries a special connection to Pūrākau. It tells the story of Rona, who, while gathering water, stumbled and cursed the moon. In response, the moon reached down and pulled her up into the night sky, where she remains today as the figure many still see in the moon. Today, Ngā Pau o Porirua stand before you as pillars of their community, strong, grounded and proud. They bring with them the mana of Ngāti Toa, the heartbeat of Porirua, and the spirit of unity that defines their rōpū. Whānau mā, please join me in giving a warm, uplifting welcome to Ngā Pau o Porirua.
Please, boys. Một bên, qua đây. Một bên, giao lộ. Qua đây. Qua đây.
Come on,
beautiful group. Thank you so much. Oh, those songs bring back so many memories. Are you going now? Oh. Ai, ka kite. Ngā tamariki mā. Ranatahi. Thank you, Te Arangate, for the total good I've done today. Thank you very much. You're amazing. Love yous. Be safe and don't do what I did. Ooh. Oh, aren't you just amazing? The passion, eh? It's the passion. The passion we have. All right. Little traffic control going on down there. Yeah, all that way, that way. Traffic controller. Te whakakoko wairua o te whanganui a Tara. Ladies and gentlemen, whānau and friends, it is my honour to introduce te whakakoko wairua o te whanganui a Tara, the soaring spirit of Wellington. This rōpū was established in February 2023, and their journey has been one of unity and growth. This group represents both the Wellington and Hutt Valley of Idea Services, two areas that merged in 2023 to form a single, powerful kapahaka whānau. Their name was gifted by their tutor and a local kaumātua, reflecting the emotions, aspirations, and the dreams of the performers themselves. Their vision is bold and inspirational, a future where individuals with intellectual disabilities stand proudly alongside their peers, showcasing their talents while celebrating haka, waiata and poi. They aspire to be a rōpū where everyone, regardless of ability, is empowered and encouraged to shine. Their iwi connections span widely across their two areas. These whakapapa ties strengthen the cultural heartbeat of the group and weave identity throughout everything they do. Their kaiako Jamie Martin supports and guides Te Whakakoko Wairua with dedication, while their leaders, Josh Drakeford and Mahina Rangi Adams. Where are we? Where's our leaders? Can we just have them come out for a second, please? It's okay if they don't want to. Josh and Mahina Rangi. Kahia korua. Ka pai. Help hold the rōpū steady. Their new uniform honours both past and present members. Wait back. Yeah. Past and present members. Acknowledging all who have contributed aroha and mahi to the kaupapa. Today's bracket blends traditional and contemporary elements. They begin with whakataka te hau, move through haramai porotaka, he meme aki, the poi, pūrere hua, the haka tau, tau katau, and close with their beautiful exit, rona. I hope I got that right for the right group. Taku, Rōpū by the kaitiaki, Kaitātaki Tāne Josh is a tribute to the Ngāti Tua whānau and honours the journey of the Wairua back to loved ones who have passed on. Haramai Porotaka was written at a kohana wānanga to honour the kaitiaki of their rohi. Tau katau is included to acknowledge their tutor's whakapapa. Whānau, ho mai te piki paki. Whakakoko wairua o te whanganui a Tara.
Tātou. Tau tātou. Tau tātou. Tauriri toru ka whai. Tau tātou. Tau tātou. Tau tātou. Tauriri toru ka whai.
Paki paki mai whānau. Woohoo! You are absolutely amazing. Weren't they just? Paki paki mai anō. Gee. Ka koto ana au. Oh, ka paki. Ngā me. Woohoo! Wow. How's everyone? Good? Had a good day? Have we had a good day? We've had a good day. Oh, I've had a good day anyway. It's been amazing. Oh, what's the time? We've only got one more group. Ah, thank you very much. Oh, kia ora whānau. Well, it's just about that time to read the last dialogue of the day. But once again, I'd like to thank you all for having me here. It's been amazing. Thank you to Michelle and the team. Thank you, Joan. Thank you, Leanne. Thank you, Bonnie, for having me. It's been a pleasure to be part of this, as always. I just love it. And well, I just love being here. I just love being with our people. So as they're making their way to the stage for their performance right now, Manakitanga. Oh, you rock. You rock, babe, you rock. I'll slowly read this out. Whānau mā. As we arrive at the final performance of this incredible day. It is my privilege to introduce this rōpū, Manaakitanga, the people who uplift, support, and care for others through the beauty of kapahaka. Representing the Manawatu Rangitike region, Manaakitanga stand proudly with whakapapa connections to Te Hotu Manawa o Rangitane o Manawatu Marae. And the iwi Rangitane and Te Atiawa, their kaupapa is grounded in whanaungatanga. Whanaungatanga inclusion and creating a space where every performer is encouraged to step into their culture with confidence and pride. Their future vision is a powerful one, that the people they support will one day stand independently on stage, performing their waiata without staff support. Strong, capable, and self-assured. Every festival, every performance, every practice brings them another step closer to that dream. Guided by their tutor, Orewa Nolan Edwards, and supported by leaders Te Araki Moore and Karina Sivets. Can our leaders come forward, please? Oh, okay. Is it Karina or Karina? Karina? I'll say Karina, sounds nice. Te Araki, kai a koe, kai a korua. They're coming. Smile and wave. Maybe not. No, they don't want to just yet. It's okay. This rōpū is nurtured with patience and passion. Their uniforms proudly reflect the spirit of Manawatu, inspired by the colours of their much-loved regional rugby team, the Turbos. Green, white and black speak to the energy, loyalty and identity of their rohe. A special moment to watch for is their haka, led by Peter, a long-time member whose commitment, leadership and passion have helped shape the wairua of Manaakitanga across many years and whānau. Before they take to the stage, there is something important to acknowledge. Manaakitanga have been chosen as the host rōpū for Te Ngā Kautaki o Ngā Kāhui Maunga Festival in 2027. Their mana, their leadership and their aroha is for this kaupapa. Make them the perfect guardians for the next festival. So as the final rōpū of the day, let's lift the roof with our support, our enthusiasm and appreciation. Whānau, give your loudest, strongest, biggest welcome to Manaakitanga.
Homai te pakipaki. Mana ki tangata. Mana ki tangata. Homai te pakipaki, mana ki tangata. Mana ki tangata is just going to exit the stage for just for a little while. Te ropi manaki, beautiful haka, the utmost sign of respect when another kapa celebrates your achievements. Both those ropis will be partaking in a little part of the celebration very shortly. But nō reira, taku reo e mihi atu rā kia koutou, kia u ki te kaupapa, kia noho tonu nei ki te kaupapa. So it's my privilege to be able to thank each and every one of you. Yes, I don't have the sparkly outfit like Fire Chrissy does. Sorry, I don't have the singing ability like Fire Chrissy, even though I do a pretty mean Elvis. But with that, we've come to the conclusion. If I could just ask the staff on the side to support Manaki Tangata, they will be back very shortly. So no reira, I'm going to hopefully buy a little bit of a time so that Caleb and the media can make their way all around there and they can make it, because they've got a couple of presentations that they want to do. You know, for us to get to today, there's been a few people that's made this day very important. There's been a number of hard work to go into getting this kaupapa, but also many sponsorships from around the Wairarapa. Humai te paki to all our sponsors. Also, a big mihi atu ki ngā rōpu katoa, ko tai a tinana nei ki tēnei rā, mo te ngākau taki o ngā kāhui maunga Kapahaka Festival. We've had, of course, our host for 2025 is Te Rōpū Manaaki, o mai te paki. We've had te timatanga o Wanganui, Manawa Koa from Papaioia, te iti kaurangi o Kuranui. We've had Pathways that also come to celebrate. Mai te paki Douglas Park School. From Taranaki, Pakaiwi ki te Pakaiwi. All the way from down the road, Ngā Pou o Porirua. Te Whakakoko Wairua o te Whanganui Ātara tēnā koutou. And also just extending the stage, it's Manaaki Tangata. So I'm going to call off Amelia and Caleb, who'd like to share a couple of taonga to pass out and a little bit of a kōrero.
Kia ora, everyone. As you all know, I'm the leader of Te Rōpū Manaaki, and we are here to celebrate this event. So thank you all for coming to support us. Appreciate it. See you later.
Kia ora. Te Rōpū Manaaki want to say thank you to all of our helpers today, Rep House, the Hockey Ladies, local schools in Erie, the Māori Wardens, and everyone you have seen in a pink vest. A big thank you to our lovely MC, Chrissy. So, Chrissy made my heart all. Homai te paki, everyone. And we've got a special thank you to Makwini, wherever you are. Nau mai, haere mai. If you can please come up on stage. So without Mark Queenie and her team, this event would not have happened today. So please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mark Queenie and all the team at Wairarapa Rep. Mai te paki. So yeah, we hope you had fun today, and well, I guess we'll see you guys in 2026.
Thank you, Caleb. Just to get back to your kapa, I'll let you join your kapa very shortly. I'm going to ask you to come onto the stage. So I just want to conclude before we hand the mauri over and we call Manaaki Tangata from Manawatu and Angitike, and then also Te Rōpū Manaaki from the Wairarapa. Just to share a couple of things on the kaupapa. We've been fortunate to enjoy kapahaka at its best. But this festival has nothing to do with kapahaka. This festival is to do about diversity, about understanding difference. It's about inclusion and being included. If I teach you one thing today, what is disability? Disability are environments that disables an individual's inclusion. So today's about Te Ao Māori, that Māori with intellectual disabilities are included in the world of Te Ao Māori. Also that we understand that Māori with intellectual disabilities have been ostracised, have been discriminated over multiple generations. This festival is to come to Wairarapa, to come here to Kātatin, to express so that the community here understands our kaupapa. The people that we have on stage, they're not service users, they're not clients. During this festival, they are kaihaka. They are kaihaka. No matter their ability or their disability, no matter whatever, from the times of the top or the pinnacle of kapahaka, which is Te Matatini, down to this festival, the heart of the kaihaka is the same. So celebrating all our kaihaka out there that's performed on this stage, homai te pakipaki. So Wairarapa, please hoki ki tō whānau. Please return back to your whānau. Teach about the kaupapa. I spoke to Te Kura Nui School and I spoke to the other kura today about traumatic experience upon people with intellectual disabilities. The most traumatic experience that most of our performers have experienced in their lives has been at kura. And it still happens today. This is what this festival is about. Understanding diversity. Understanding difference. But the Māori, the wehi, the wana, the tapu of every individual, all of us, is the same. So with that, tēnā koutou, a tēnā koutou. I'd like to call on Te ora whānau. I'd like to call on Te Ropi Manaki. While Te Ropi Manaki is taking the stage, I would like to talk about this taonga. This taonga is called Te Ngākau Taki o Te Kāhui Maunga, and this was carved by Renata Te Wiata, a famous choirist, famous opera singer, and also famous carver by the name of Inia Te Wiata. Inia Te Wiata was the first Māori to actually attend, I think, the School of Opera and School of Juilliard. And so his mokopuna was able. So I'm just going to ask the Te Ropi Manaki to come on this side. Hara mai ki konei. Te Ropi Manaki. We're facing the screen. I'm giving that to you. And so this was carved in this modi, has been looked after by Te Ropi Manaki, and also the Idea Services ki Wairarapa team. For the last 2 years, they've held this modi, and that's the modi of this festival. This is now going to be carried and continue over, and it goes over to Manawatu Rangitike, and then the form of our ropu, which just performed, to receive this taonga, and the person who will be receiving it is Stephen Hallett. Stephen Hallett is a long-serving member of Te Anga Paoa Māori National Advisory Group since its inception. So he will be receiving this on behalf of his area and his branches of South Africa. Mr. Soundman, can you please play our waiata? Maybe we can stand it. E tū tātou. Hara mai mana atu. May we all be bound to our kaupapa forever. We will provide support for all people with intellectual disabilities. Through unity and walking together, we will celebrate. So find us from above. Find us from below. Find us together. Find us from within. Surround us where we all be bound together. For we are Idea Services. Wai te tātou. And may we be bound together. We will strive to support the entirety of each individual, their mana, their tapu. We will always be open-hearted, so that their dreams are fulfilled. Find us from above. Find us from below. Find us forever. For we are ID Services. Find us forever. For we are ID Services. Find us forever.
Tēnā tātou, tēnei kaupapa kua tai ki te kapinga, tēnei kaupapa nō reira, tēnei te wairarapa, tēnei a rangitāne, tēnei a kahonunu, mihana ki a koutou katoa, taranaki, whanganui, tāno ki roto i a whanganui a tara, whakawhiti mai ki kōnei, koutou manumatu, tēnei mihana ki a koutou ka hui ki o koutou tahai hei tērā tau. Nō reira, kia tau mai te manaakitanga ki runga ki tēnā ki tēnā tātou, kia māhia te hua mā kihi, kia toi te kupu, kia toi te mana, kia toi te aroha. Whiti ora ki te tipua, whiti ora ki te tāwhito, whiti ora ki te kaweariki, whiti ora tāwhiti atu ki a koe e rongo, whakairi ki runga, ki tēnei whānau, ki tēnei kaupapa, kia tau mai te mauria rungo marairo, rungo taki, kia tau te rangi māria, kia wātea, kua wātea, haumea hui e, tai ki e.
Kia ora whānau, that's a wrap for 2025. See you in Manawatu in 2027.